Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a fresh trade-in. This is a 2020 Nautique G23 Paragon. Used, in stock, freshly traded in with only 18 hours on it. This one won't last long, so give me a call and let's jump up inside and I'll show you the rest of the boat. So jumping up on the swim platform here, you'll see we've got the big sun loungers here that fold down flat as well to increase visibility while you're running. You can sit there while you're surfing or lounge out at the sandbar. When they're folded down, you still have a little seat as well. Easy access through the middle with multiple steps. We've got a slide seat here right at the stern that also moves forward and flips around back for even more seating. At the helm, upgraded on the Paragon, are two control screens. You've got one primary for all of your data and then one for altering the wake, changing your tunes, turning on and off the heater, basically for full controls. You can also run everything on that screen through your dial right there. This boat is rated for up to 16 people on board, as you can see with the massive seating. Up in the bow with the redesigned Paragon hull, it's even wider, plenty of space to lounge out. If you guys have any other questions about this boat or any of the other boats you see in the background here, we've even got the new G23 electric boat of the year on display. Give me a call, send me a text, 303-875-3988. Thanks.